In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom GPT-powered chatbot in just a few minutes, which is trained on your data. And we're going to use Chatterdocs to harness the power of AI to resolve support questions, capture leads, book appointments, and all that kind of stuff. And you're not going to have to do any coding, so don't worry about that. So to get started, go ahead and create a free account on Chatterdocs.ai. And once you're logged in, you should see something that looks like this. And you're going to want to click a new chatbot. I'm just going to say demo here. And for this particular tutorial, we're going to focus on the website widget, which is something that looks similar to this. It shows up on every website that you can go to these days, but you click on website widget and then you're taken to this step where you can customize your prompt. And this prompt is a system message that interacts with the chatbot and tells it what kind of answers to reply with and how you want it to reply. So in this case, it's very much catered towards being a customer support representative for Chatterdocs. You can feel free to update this to your liking. And then next, you're going to be taken into the playground and the interface where you can upload your docs and your website materials and link to those things to get them into your chatbot and have it be trained. And so what you're going to want to do is either upload a file. This could be an FAQ. This could be information about your products and services. You're going to upload that, or you're going to want to import from a website. And so, for example, if we wanted to import our documentation, we would do something like this. We would go .ai/docs, and I'm going to scrape the links found on the website. I can have it updated every day, every hour, every week, depending on how frequently the website is changed. And then from here, what it's going to do is it's going to go out and fetch each one of these pages and ensure that we can scrape all of the content on the site so that your chatbot has all the context. And the next step, you can choose which pages you actually want to import. Some of these you might not want to import, for example, the register and the login page. For the sake of time, I've already done this behind the scenes. And all that's left for me to do next is to select and add some active sources. So if I search here for Chatterdocs, I see I've already seeded this with a few sources, and I can add them here by hitting the plus icon. And these are then being added as context and information data that my chatbot can use. So once I have some sources added, now I can start testing the chatbot. So I can say things like, what is your pricing? And it will give me back an answer based solely on the data that we have here. And this is information actually from the pricing page, which is correct, and it's exactly what I would expect. You can then also customize what the widget will be when you embed it on your website by adding your domain. This would be something like Chatterdocs.ai, johnhainstock.com. And you could add a title for your widget, a body, example questions, just to customize the experience. So I could something like this, need help, and do you have an API? And these are things that you can then take the code from and embed them onto your website. You're going to want to go into the head of your HTML. In some cases, if you're using WordPress or Squarespace or something like that, you might see this referred to as header or footer scripts that you can add into your pages or the top level kind of theme. And you're going to copy that over, and that should then show up in the bottom right of your pages. You also have the ability to look at insights here as to what questions are being asked and how the bot is replying. So you can keep a close eye on those things. And then you can add your team members too. So if you want to collaborate on other bots, things like Slack chat bots, or other embeddables that look similar to ChatGPT, other internal tools. We also have an API that you can hook into and get the replies out that way. So this is just a quick overview of how to get started with Chatterdocs and create that custom GPT-like chatbot in just a few minutes. If you have any questions or need help with anything, don't hesitate to contact us at support@chatterdocs.ai. Thanks for watching.